Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. In today's new arrivals, we are going to see your most favorite collection. It's going to be Kalamkari cotton sarees. All these sarees are priced between $790 and it goes up to $900. Let's get started. All the sarees that I'm going to show you today are pure cotton sarees with beautiful Kalamkari prints. We have two varieties. One is with all over prints and the other one is with plain body with Kalamkari prints on the borders and in the pallus. All these sarees are very lightweight, easy to carry, perfect casual wear for this summer. I'm going to randomly pick and show you 20 sarees in today's video. We have many more unique designs and colors that are available in the website. To take a look at the entire collection, please log on to www.prashantisarees.com. You can also download our app that's available in both iOS and Android. All these are pure mull cotton sarees, very easy to maintain. These sarees can be carefully hand washed at home. We are releasing new collections every day in the morning and in the evening. To stay on top of our new arrivals, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or sign up with our newsletter. We undertake custom tailoring, fall and edging and embroidery. If you wish to get your blouses done, there's an option available right at the cart page. You can click that. You can also reach out to our customer support team. We'll be more than happy to help you with your blouses. First one for today. It's a very pretty color, maroon with blue. Beautifully printed Kalamkari borders on either sides with all over paisley prints running throughout the body. A contrast Kalamkari printed pallu, that's the pallu. A matching printed blouse, priced at $790. Peacock green with maroon, one more beautiful color with the body going plain in peacock green. Beautiful Kalamkari printed borders on either sides with peacock and floral motifs. A contrast Kalamkari printed pallu, that's the pallu. And all over printed blouse, priced at $890. Orange with blue, one more pretty color with contrast floral printed borders. The body has got very pretty bird and floral prints running throughout the saree in Kalamkari style. A contrast printed pallu, that's the pallu, and a matching Kalamkari blouse, priced at $790. Coffee brown with maroon, one more classy color. This has got beautiful Kalamkari floral printed borders on either sides with the body going plain in coffee brown. A contrast printed pallu in Kalamkari style and a printed blouse, priced at $890. Lavender with black, same as the one that I'm wearing today but a different color. Floral printed borders on either sides with ikat prints running throughout the body. Kalamkari printed pallu, that's the pallu, and a floral printed blouse, priced at $790. Red with black, one more gorgeous saree with contrast peacock printed borders in Kalamkari style. The body goes plain in red. A contrast printed pallu, that's the pallu, and all over printed blouse, priced at $890. Blue with beige, a very different style of prints in Kalamkari. This has got peacock printed borders along the top part with the body going plain. Towards the bottom half, this has got beautiful long peacock printed borders along with florals and dandiya prints running throughout the saree. A contrast printed pallu in Kalamkari, that's the pallu, and a printed Kalamkari blouse, priced at $790. Magenta with green, one more pretty color with peacock motifs printed on both sides of the borders along with small paisley buttas in Kalamkari style. The body goes plain in magenta. A contrast Kalamkari printed pallu, that's the pallu, and ikat printed blouse in cream, priced at $890. Maroon, lovely saree with floral all over Kalamkari prints running throughout the body. Printed pallu in Kalamkari style, that's the pallu. A floral printed blouse, priced at $790. Copper sulphate blue with Kalamkari printed borders. Very pretty peacocks printed on both sides of the borders with the body going plain in blue. A contrast Kalamkari printed pallu, that's the pallu, and a printed blouse in Kalamkari style, priced at $890. Black, a very pretty saree with all over Kalamkari prints running throughout the body with printed borders on either sides. That's the pallu, printed pallu, and all over printed blouse, priced at $790. Magenta with black, another lovely saree with contrast Kalamkari printed borders on either sides. Self prints in Kalamkari style running throughout the body. A contrast printed pallu, that's the pallu, and all over printed blouse, priced at $890. Yellow, a very classy and an elegant color. This has got floral and peacock Kalamkari prints running throughout the body with beautiful motifs in peacocks along with small paisley buttas printed along both sides of the borders. That's the printed pallu, a subtly printed blouse priced at 790. Navy blue with maroon, another stunning saree with contrast printed borders on either sides. The body goes plain in navy blue, a contrast printed pallu, that's the pallu, and all over printed blouse priced at 890. Maroon, another classy saree with all over Warli prints with geometric printed borders on either sides. Kalamkari printed pallu, that's the pallu. Floral printed blouse priced at 790. Cream with black, one more classy and an elegant saree with peacock prints along both sides of the borders. The body has got all over Kalamkari style prints running throughout the saree. Printed pallu, that's the pallu. Floral printed blouse priced at 790. Blue, one more lovely color with floral printed borders on either sides. All over Kalamkari prints running throughout the saree. Printed pallu, that's the pallu. A matching printed blouse priced at 790. Black and beige, one more beautiful saree with box prints and Kalamkari style, printed borders on either sides. Kalamkari printed pallu, that's the pallu. A floral printed blouse priced at 790. Tomato pink, one more pretty color with Kalamkari printed motifs along both sides of the borders. All over floral and peacock motifs printed in Kalamkari style running throughout the middle portion of the saree. Printed pallu, that's the pallu. And a printed blouse priced at 790. Black, the last one for today, such a stunning saree with all over floral Kalamkari prints with small printed borders on either sides. Printed pallu in Kalamkari, that's the pallu, and all over printed blouse priced at 790. All these sarees are available in our website. Many more unique designs and colors are also uploaded. To take a look at the entire collection, please log on to www.prashantisarees.com. You can also download our app that's available in both iOS and Android. Thank you for watching this video. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.